Keir Starmer's working class story. Yeah, pull the other one. His dad wasn't just some bloke sweating over a tool bench, he was the boss. And if that's not enough, wait until you hear about his secret side gig with donkeys. Starmer loves to sell the tale of his dad, Rodney, as a humble toolmaker working tirelessly in a factory. But let's be real, Rodney wasn't just making tools, he was running the whole operation. His so-called factory. More like a small rented workshop, not some massive industrial empire. The image of a hard-working laborer just trying to get by. That's been polished up nicely for public consumption. But that's just the beginning. Turns out, Starmer's dad had another title, director at the Donkey Breed Society. Yes, while Keir plays up his man of the people act, his father was busy rubbing shoulders with the elite of the donkey world. You can't make this up. While other working-class dads were clocking in at the factory, Rodney was apparently overseeing a world of prize-winning donkeys. Now, think about that next time Keir gives one of his humble roots speeches. Just picture him standing in a stable, knee-deep in, well, you get the idea. The reality? His story has been polished so much it's shinier than the tools his dad pretended to make. But hey, that's politics, right? A little revision here, a little tweaking there, and suddenly, you're the voice of the working class. Meanwhile, the real working class. They're out there, actually sweating over a tool bench, not running the show. Stay sharp. Question everything. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that follow button for more no-nonsense takes. Keir Starmer has built his political image on being a man of the people, someone who understands the struggles of working-class families. He often speaks about his father, claiming he was a humble toolmaker, just an ordinary man working with his hands. But what if that wasn't the full story? What if the truth was something very different? Many have now questioned this narrative, pointing out that Starmer's father wasn't just a simple toolmaker but actually owned a factory. That's a huge difference. Being a business owner isn't the same as being a laborer. It raises the question, why would Starmer downplay his family's financial standing? Was it a calculated move to make himself more relatable? Critics argue that this is part of a bigger pattern, a politician carefully crafting an image that isn't entirely accurate. If he's willing to stretch the truth about his own background, what else is he willing to bend? This revelation could change how people see him. Was it a harmless exaggeration, or a deliberate attempt to mislead? One thing is clear, Keir Starmer's story isn't as straightforward as he wants you to believe. And the truth? Well, it might just change everything.